Hey everyone, check out this amazing Modoker Dog Travel Bag for your next weekend getaway. This airline-approved tote keeps all your pet gear organized and ready to go. The water-repellent exterior and leak-proof lining handle any outdoor adventure with ease. You get 2 collapsible silicone bowls, 2 food containers, and a handy placemat included. A large inner compartment safely stores treats, toys, and leashes for your pup. Multiple functional pockets and an adjustable flap give you total flexibility on the trail. Grab this ultimate travel organizer and make every trip with your furry friend effortless. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.